Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, yes, it's Tuesday, June the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I've shown you earlier in this newspaper the 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of today, well, there's a heavy rainfall in Germany, South Germany. So all the water is coming here to the Netherlands, and the river is high water. So a lot of houses being wet. Yeah. Enough about the weather. Number 8652. Before I start, I always count the print digits. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's 3 stars. Let me give this a 0. Or maybe a 1 star. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star, a 0 stars, or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. My first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. In this puzzle, we don't have any single boxes. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. Here, dual box. There, dual box. 1 and 2. Well, this box can be 2. So 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here, the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. How about triple boxes now? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box, this is the box near the middle box. This is the middle box of the triple box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. More triple boxes? Nope. How about quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, we have here one shape that you need to recognize. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. And I believe we have one more shape to go. This shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Oh, forget to draw this shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. How about this shape then? Well, here we have this shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright? And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box, oh wait, yeah, can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5 because if I place a 5 here, then that box, it's connected with each other, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area. So another solution, place the 5 there. The only place left the 5 it should be here. Alright. Okay. Then. Well. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 and this triple box should be there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So the other 2 numbers in this area are the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as appeared. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this area. For number 3. Alright. Then, let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. And also this box can be 5. So only 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in and 4 goes there. Finish 11 minutes. Well. 11 minutes. Told you. 0 stars. Need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday.